Hello, my name is Adele and welcome to Her Smile. Now, I just want to first of all explain to you what we do here. We specialize in helping women discover their smile. And to do that, we believe you are what you eat, think, do, and wear. And so we specialize in all of those things. We specialize in energy and exercise because I'm deeply passionate about you moving correctly. Okay, so I have gone out, I've got 40 years of teaching experience, and based on my lifetime of experience, I have gone out there and created proper exercise programs that are endorsed by a female doctor, okay? Because I have spoken to physiotherapists and they just love the fact that they have these things called boot camps, because people go to boot camps, they get injured, they end up at physiotherapists and they think that they are to blame, that they're not designed to move. And I just want you to know that every body is designed to move. And I have come up with programs that will show you how to move correctly and prevent injury, endorsed by the medical female doctor. Okay, so we specialize in her energy, her exercise, her healthy waistline based on my 40 years or 58 years of life, okay, and all the things that I've done with my life as a dancer, as a body sculptor, competing. I know how to get that beautiful waistline in, okay? Then skincare. I had a dreadful skin as an adult, terrible emotional stress with immigration 3 times was too much for me, and so I had terrible adult acne. And so I have spent thousands, like everyone else, trying to find the right skincare, and what I've done is I've been with this medical, this skincare range for 15 years, and they were created in the 80s, and they've actually won Best Medical Skincare 3 years in a row, 2019 and 2018. Okay, so the skincare range, I do not sell tubes of hope. So you've come to the right place for skincare. Now, makeup artistry, as we age, our faces change, and we need to use true makeup artistry to fix our faces and to change and alter the changes that have taken place to keep us looking youthful, all right? Now, I've traveled the world as a makeup artist, and I have studied it and studied mature faces. And so, yes, you're in the right place, and all this information I've given you, all of it is available online, on online programs that we've created here at Her Smile. And then we specialize we have our own unique color personality experience, because we believe you are the color that you wear sends out message to the world, all right? So what colors should you be wearing, because what message should you be sending out, okay? So that's our unique thing that we've brought out in color analysis, but it's a unique color personality experience, and then styling, which is just the cherry on the top. So much fun with that, and anyone who knows me knows that style is always something that I've been into. Okay, so you are here now. We believe you are what you eat, think, do, and wear, but you are nothing without your health. So we always start with exercise and food. Exercise and food. All right. So this week, please stay tuned, because you're going to learn so much from me. But this week, we have been talking about the 10,000 steps. Okay? 10,000 steps. Should we be taking them? Now, my answer to you was that a Harvard professor, he said that the 10,000 steps originated as a marketing strategy, okay? They were not a scientific experiment. But my answer is, they are good to do if you are doing them well. So walking is a good place to start, because it's what you're familiar with and it will build your confidence. And as long as you're moving and confident, we can grow from there, okay? So walking is a good place to start, but are you walking correctly? Because if your technique is incorrect, you're going to be doing more harm than good, and you're going to be just getting yourself in line like the rest of the women over 40 for the knee replacements, hip replacements, ankle surgery, lower back pain, and it works all the way up. You've got to get your walking technique correct, and you're in the right place. So that's wonderful. Okay, so if you've been paying attention, in part 2 this week, I actually taught you how to stand correctly. Okay, now this is what I'm, as I said, deeply passionate about. I've traveled the world. I have watched the people in the gyms. I have learned from the best. And I have realized that women do not know what they are doing in the gym. In fact, most people don't. And you're being taught by people who aren't quite sure themselves. Okay. So I went out there and I found the information and I bring it to you in a very simple solution, very simple, easy way to use. And we've got women in their 70s doing it who are absolutely remarkable, that have never exercised in their lives, and they are so strong. Okay, so again, I sound really passionate because I am, but it works. Okay, so you need to make sure that you are doing things correctly. I've got the program. As I say, I've created all these programs online for everyone in the world, but we are talking about the walking, and we start with how you stand. You've got to be standing correctly. So go to part 2 and watch how you should stand correctly. Then we move on to part 3, which was Wednesday night, and that was I showed you how to massage your feet. Really get into those nooks and crannies and massage your feet, and you will be surprised at how sore your feet actually are, and your calf muscles. And as I've said before, when you have a vehicle, you buy a car, you look after it because it's costing you a lot of money, you care for it, you have the maintenance done, and it lasts you max 15 years. Your body, you expect it to last you 90, 100 years, and you don't do anything. You don't feed it properly. You don't fuel it properly. You don't exercise it properly. You don't care for it. You abuse, and you expect, I've got a backache and a neckache. Are you really that surprised? But don't worry, I'm here to give you all the right information. So last night I showed you how to stretch your feet and calves. Please, ladies, make sure you do it. I know some of those exercises are quite uncomfortable, but they really, really are good for you. So please make sure that you do those 3 sets of exercises. Now, tonight I promised you my walking tutorial. Okay, so yes, you can do your 10,000 steps, but they've got to be beautiful, healthy steps, okay? So make sure you're doing beautiful steps, and make sure that so what I'm going to do is when I'm finished here now, at the top of the post, I'm going to put in the link for you to click to get to my walking tutorial. And that is your homework, okay? This weekend, you are going to go through the standing correctly, the massaging, the stretching, and then the walking. And get out there and walk, and post some images of you walking. I'd love to see them. And I'd also love some comments and some feedback about what you think of the walking tutorial. But just know everything's been endorsed by my female medical doctor. Okay, right, so great. So out there walking now. Today's questions are, or were, besides walking, what else should you be doing? And well, as I've said to you, you've got a whole rest of your body, okay? Walking only takes care of your feet and your legs, if you're doing them well, all right? What about the whole rest of your body? And that's why I say you're in the right place, because you have access now to the truth, because everything you see here, what you see is what you get. I only deliver the truth. No hope here, only truth. Okay, lots of hope, but no spinning you a yarn. Everything's the truth that you're getting here from me. Okay, and the other question was, what changes to the walk can you make to make it more effective? Now, this is a very, very important question, and it will be answered with the walking tutorial. So ladies, what you need to be doing is learning to walk correctly, and then I'm going to be showing you how you can make changes to that walk to get it more effective, to fat burn more, and to get more out of your exercise and your time doing it. Okay, so please make sure that you, 1, download the walking tutorial, 2, do it on the weekend, and 3, be back here at 7 p.m. on Monday night. Why? Because we're going to talk about something that nobody wants to talk about, and that is your pelvic floor. Now, again, I had a pelvic floor issue, and I will explain it to you on Monday night. And my female medical doctor, who knows my pelvic floor very well, I've been with her for 18 years, she wanted to know about my pelvic floor tutorial, and I sent it through to her, and she's absolutely thrilled with it. She said that for the first time in her life, and she's our age, she now understands how to recruit the pelvic floor correctly. Okay, so as I said, you're in the right place. Lucky you. I'm so grateful that you are here. So I will be revealing all that to you on Monday night. So please tune in, same place, same time, because if you are experiencing incontinence, back pain, if you can't jump without leaking, can't sneeze without leaking, can't laugh without leaking. Well, that's embarrassing, and you don't have to live with that. Okay? You need to learn to understand your pelvic floor, and I'm going to teach you. Okay? So, be here Monday night, 7 p.m. Okay? And I will then talk about the pelvic floor. In the meantime, have a lovely rest of your day and do your homework. Great. And remember, our mission here at Her Smile is to help you step out with that beautiful smile. So have a lovely evening. And thank you. I really respect your being here tonight. And speak soon.